How to change ringtone on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change ringtone on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just click here, search, and now just type ringtone here and select this one, notification tone, and scroll down. Here you will find it, phone ringtone and notification tone. If you want to change it, all you need to do is just click on it and then scroll down, and here you will find any tone you want, and you can even just take it from your device, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to change ringtone on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.